United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 189, limitation on jurisdiction, with regard to decisions of the authority, the Seabed Disputes Chamber shall have no jurisdiction, with regard to the exercise, by the authority of its discretionary powers in accordance with this part. In no case shall it substitute its discretion for that of the authority. Without prejudice to Article 191, in exercising its jurisdiction pursuant to Article 187, the Seabed Disputes Chamber shall not pronounce itself on the question of whether any rules, regulations and procedures of the authority are in conformity with this convention, nor declare invalid any such rules, regulations and procedures. Its jurisdiction in this regard shall be confined to deciding claims that the application of any rules, regulations and procedures of the authority in individual cases would be in conflict with the contractual obligations of the parties to the dispute, or their obligations under this convention, claims concerning excess of jurisdiction, or misuse of power, and to claims for damages to be paid, or other remedy to be given to the party concerned for the failure of the other party to comply with its contractual obligations, or its obligations under this convention.